Hi guys, welcome to Pokefan Buggy's channel. We finally hit 10 subscribers yesterday. So today I'm gonna teach you this awesome pen trick you can do at home just to get a Sharpie. That's the best marker you can use. So I'm gonna show you the trick first. Wait. That's the trick. I'm using the camera on top, that's why it looks like that. So let me teach you. So when you're pushing it back like that, you must use this to put that. So while you're moving this, do that. Look like this. After that, you're gonna want to do the thumb to put it back in. After that, you move it so the audience can see it, then move it back like that with the thumb like this. You see the thumb? Move it with the thumb like this. There. Then you can keep on doing that until you be perfect. Thanks for watching this video. Bye. Please like and subscribe.